Hello, my wonderful busy homemakers. How are you? And today I'm talking about three quick tips to get you motivated and in the mood to get that cleaning done in your kitchen or another room in the house. Now, I am Deb. You are in the kitchen, in the office with Deb today, but we are going to be talking about the kitchen and cleaning your home in general. And I am from Deb's Decorative Life. I am your decluttering and home organizing consultant, and I am here to help you also keep it clean. Now, today, do you have the energy today to get that job done, to get in the kitchen, get it done? You've got everybody out of the house. They're at school today, and your hubby's working, and you got the house, and you got it to yourself, and you're like, I am not in the mood to clean. I am just not in the mood to clean. I know I need to get it done. What am I going to do? I cannot get the motivation. That is what I'm going to talk about today. Now, has that happened to you? How often does that happen to you? It happens. And a lot of people are regulated by the sun and the dreariness. I know what it can get me at times too. I like to clean when the sun's out. I like to get it done. Now, that's my thing. Now, what I do, and these are my three quick tips, I discuss more of these tips in my group today. So if you want to get in the group, Deb's Decorative Live Tips and Inspiration, that's where you go. I'm just going to go quickly over three of them in here today. We discussed more and we took it into more depth. Now, you've got everybody out of the house. The first one I'm going to tell you when you're not motivated is which I firmly believe in it. Those of you that know me, I'm a firm believer in affirmations. I will get that job done. I will clean the kitchen today. I'll get as much of it done as I can in the time while nobody's home. That is my first tip. And that's what you say to yourself, especially if you're not motivated to do it and you know you got it done because you know maybe you've got company coming on the weekend. And you're like, oh, I really don't want to do this, but I got to get it done. And it's the worst room in the house, and I just got to do it. So that was my first tip. You start with that first, ladies. Now, my second quick tip. Chunk it down. Chunk down that task if you have to. You've got a time frame. Say you got an hour for cleaning, and you want to go back to your business and spend the other hour in your business. That's fine. Do what you can in that time frame before everybody gets back home, because once they do, I don't know about you, but I don't want to be cleaning when they're home. They're getting in my way. They're behind me. Even the cat's getting underfoot, because once everybody gets home, the house starts moving around. So that is my second quick tip for you. Now, I do have an affirmation course on how to change your mindset with affirmations, and I wrote it because I did it. I needed to do something, and I started working with affirmations, and they just really, things flew out the door. They just really poofed it out of nowhere. Everything went great. So, if you're interested in that, let me know. Now, go ahead and let's get into our third tip. Reward yourself afterwards with your favorite treat, or even if it's that cup of coffee that you are craving so much, but you're like, I want to take a break in the middle. That's fine. Take your break in the middle, but don't reward yourself with the coffee yet. Have something else, whether it be a little bite of a protein bar, some water, or a little bit of orange juice. Do not go after what you're craving until afterwards, because then afterwards, that's where you reward yourself for getting the work done. So now you got the clean home or the clean kitchen, and you're like, thank you, thank you, thank you. I've got my clean kitchen. I can't believe it. I did it. I'm having my coffee. I am celebrating. You got that cup of coffee. You earned it that you were really craving. Those are my 3 tips for you. Don't forget, jump in my group, Deb's Real Life Tips and Information, where we discuss more in depth the decluttering in the home organization. And right now we're discussing how to keep a healthy home and a healthy mindset. So I hope to see you in my group. And don't forget to invite your friend, because when we do challenges, you're going to want an accountability partner. And I want to thank you so much for watching me live today. And I hope to see you in my group. Jump off my profile and go get there in the group. Bye, my busy homemakers. Thank you so much.